Did you know that soils store over 3 times as much carbon as the world's forests combined? Soil organic carbon, or SOC for short, refers to the presence of carbon compounds in the soil, which are derived from decomposed organic matter, plant and animal residues. SOC directly influences your soil's health, fertility, and productivity by impacting plant nutrient availability and water storage capacity. In the fight against irreversible climate change, biodiversity loss, and food insecurity, the solution may lie beneath our feet. Welcome to Downforce Technologies, your data partner in the new era of carbon monitoring and regenerative land management. Downforce Technologies is a global leader in remote monitoring of soil organic carbon and natural capital. Our digital twin automates the complex science needed to answer your big questions by ingesting high-quality data from certified public sources at global, regional, and local scales. The data we use is scientifically selected based on its influence over SOC's behavior and includes a strategic mix of ground surveys, global models, regional databases, and remote data. The end result? No matter how large your portfolio or where your properties are located, Downforce will provide you with robust SOC insights for your reporting and management planning. You're probably wondering, how much soil organic carbon is my property currently storing? And where is it being stored across my property? Downforce Technologies answers these questions and many more with its property-level SOC data. Enjoy our highly precise 10-meter resolution maps and explore every corner of your property to uncover where SOC is being stored from 2017 right up to the present year. Use our interactive tools to calculate SOC storage in areas of high interest, or upload your paddock boundaries to seamlessly calculate SOC at the paddock scale. Say goodbye to cost-prohibitive soil sampling plans and instead enjoy Downforce Technologies' cost-effective SOC storage maps and metrics. Once we've helped you understand your property's history, Downforce forecasts your future with its future additional SOC storage maps. To do this, Downforce uses its patented land classification methodology to compare the carbon stored in every 10-meter pixel of your soil against the highest carbon stored by other like-for-like properties. Understanding your future carbon storage potential is important for land management planning, supplier sustainability reporting, and of course, carbon project planning. Carbon projects are initiatives aimed at either reducing greenhouse gas emissions or increasing carbon sequestration to combat climate change. Farmers and landowners are well placed to develop successful carbon projects for sequestering carbon in the soil. It's critical that you plan your carbon project with sound science and precision. Downforce removes the guesswork by providing carbon project planning maps based on your property's SOC history and observed SOC behavior. By doing this, Downforce ensures your carbon project is set up for maximum long-term success. Carbon projects are not the only reason for building and monitoring soil carbon, though. Increasing SOC is known to improve your soil's water holding capacity and plant nutrient availability, and is well regarded as a cost-effective way of improving soil health and farm productivity. Downforce Technologies' groundbreaking land management planning toolkit changes the game for on-farm decision-making by correlating management activities with changes in SOC. If your focus is sustained farm productivity and regenerative land management, the Land Management Planning Toolkit is the product you need. Whether you're looking for SOC data to improve land management, report on sustainability objectives, or manage a carbon project, Downforce Technologies is your trusted partner of choice. If you have any further questions, or if you would like to arrange a call to discuss the platform in greater detail, please contact the team directly. Reach out to the team at info@downforce.tech or request a live demonstration via the Downforce website. Just head to www.downforce.tech. Thank you for watching.